Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Keeping your hair radiant and beautiful isn't an easy task. After all, our strands are constantly exposed to pollution, strong winds, and UV rays from the sun. So, in order to make our hair look good, we normally resort to expensive products full of ingredients we can't even pronounce. But have you ever tried taking care of your hair naturally? Not only is it cheaper, it's also safer since you know what's in the products you're using. This recipe calls for ingredients such as ginger, which prevents your hair from falling out and helps it grow faster. Honey, which hydrates, makes your hair shine and controls oil. And olive oil, which hydrates, makes your hair shine, prevents split ends, and fights dandruff. Now that you know some of the benefits of the ingredients, here's the recipe. Ingredients: 1 piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, 5 to 7 vitamin E capsules, depending on the length and thickness of your hair. Instructions: wash the ginger well, then peel and grate it. Once that's done, blend it with the other ingredients. Next, apply it to your hair and put on a shower cap. Let it sit for 40 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse it out and wash your hair with shampoo. Repeat this process once a week. You'll start seeing a difference after about a month. It's important to remember that you should always perform an allergy test before using recipes like that. All you have to do is apply a small amount to your skin and wait a few minutes to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.